Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you how to get started with PagePilot on Shopify. We'll walk through the installation process and the basic setup so you can start building AI-powered pages for your online store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Apps to open the Shopify App Store and manage your installed apps. Use the search bar to search for PagePilot. When the app appears in the search results, click PagePilot to open its app page and review its features and information. Click Install to begin installing the app. Shopify will ask you to review the permissions required by PagePilot. Read through them carefully, then click Install or Approve to authorize the app. After the installation is complete, PagePilot will open automatically in your Shopify dashboard. Follow the on-screen setup instructions provided by PagePilot. These steps may include configuring your preferences and connecting the app to your store so it works correctly with your existing setup. Once the setup is complete, you're ready to start creating pages. PagePilot uses AI to help you design and customize pages for your Shopify store with an easy-to-use interface. You can create new pages, edit layouts, update text and images, and customize your pages to match your store's branding and improve your customers' shopping experience. That's all you need to do. You now know how to install and get started with PagePilot on Shopify. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.